Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, there is an awesome opportunity for gig workers to make extra money, or really anybody, through a new program called TikTok Shop. So TikTok is really competing now with Amazon and eBay, and you can now buy items on the TikTok app, and you can now also sell items too, which is exactly what I'm doing. And in a single day, I made over $1,000 because I created a TikTok shop selling items, and you can do it too. Actually, anybody can do it. I didn't show my face. I really did this on a brand new account, so you don't need any experience or any followers. If you want to learn exactly how I did it and how I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop, click the link below, and right now you can get a free trial when you sign up and join my community, my group chat. There's a 45-minute training there, so check that out. And now let's get started with the video. Basically, we're looking at how you can make $100,000 per year driving for Uber and Lyft. So if you're looking for a job and you're struggling to find a job, guys, honestly, just stop the job hunt and go full-time Uber and Lyft. Look at this guy right here. Look at this. From April 16 to April 23, boom, easy, 2,300 bucks.
Yeah, but how many hours? Like 70?
Who cares? You're making 100 grand a year.
What do you mean who cares?
Look at that. What's 2,300 bucks times 80? 2,300 times 52. 2,300 times 52. That's almost 120 grand a year.
Before expenses.
Yeah, your expense is probably 119, so you probably profit $1,000 a year. No, just kidding. But yeah, let's take a look at this. His online time is only 44 hours.
Oh, that's not bad.
So what's the
8.5 or like 9.
Wait a second. Why are his tips so low? Only $34 in tips.
Yeah, and I guess there was like a promotions thing, but even before the tips and promotions, it's like still a lot of money. It's like
2,100 still. He got it before tips and promotions. 2,100 bucks.
Oh wait, so what's the average? Is this Uber X?
Probably Uber Black, I'm assuming.
Oh.
Probably in a big city. I'm assuming probably in like Miami. Taking around all the sugar daddies. Because keep in mind, like if you're in Miami, how many dudes want to flex when they don't want to take, like, can you imagine you're going and spending $2,000 or probably more, 5-10 grand at bottle service at a club? You're gonna show up in a little Prius?
Yeah, no, I know guys who, like, their default Uber is Uber Black, like, that they order.
Yeah, and a lot of them own a business, so it's going on the company card anyway, so they're like, whatever.
Yeah.
Or maybe they can't afford it and they're just throwing on a credit card. They don't want to be like, they're addicted to the lifestyle.
Yeah.
They want to show up to the club in a Mercedes. They do not want to show up to the club in a little Ford Fusion. Even though it literally does not matter at all. I mean, maybe the girls they hang out with care. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think they care? Like, let's say you have a sugar daddy. He's got 4 or 5 girls he's taking to the club. Do you think they care about... Do you think, they want to show up in like an Escalade? Or do you think they care if they show up in like a Honda Fit? They probably want to show up in an Escalade, right?
Yeah.
Focus, Izzy, focus. Okay, you want to read this?
Yeah, so this is a very controversial topic, but something new drivers ask very often. As I said before, driving for Uber and Lyft is not rocket science. You gas your car up and go. However, strategy, knowing your city, when and where to drive are important issues when it comes to driver earnings. Over the past 7 years, one thing has been a constant, that is Uber and Lyft have severely cut rates over and over again. At the moment in Los Angeles, where I live, drivers are making 60 cents a mile and 21 cents a minute for the most popular Uber platform, UberX.
Crazy.
Lyft drivers making 80 cents a mile and 12 cents a minute.
Yeah.
Wait.
So, I mean, just keep that in mind, guys. You are going to have a lot of expenses because even though you can go out and do this 44 hours, like you're going to have to pay expenses on your car, especially if you drive a really nice car. A Mercedes, the cost of maintenance is way higher than if you drive a Honda Fit.
Yeah. Wait, so this guy doesn't do Uber Black. These are earnings from Uber X?
Is it?
That's what it sounds like. I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
he mentioned that it was Uber Black.
Well, 44 hours. So what's 2,300 divided by 44?
Or, well, you should do the 2,100.
Hey, Siri. What is 2,100 divided by 44?
2,100 divided by
47 bucks an hour. That's insane.
Yeah, that's really good. Like,
That's extremely good.
and that's before tips and promotions.
Yeah. I don't know.
Does it say in any there?
I don't know. This guy's got the secret sauce, though. Maybe this is Ronnie SPE TV.
Maybe it's photoshopped.
No. It looks real. It looks real.
Yeah, it does look real. That looks real.
Anyways. All right,
Maybe
so guys.
it's just lucky week.
What?
Maybe it was a lucky week.
Yeah, lucky week. Or like maybe there's a concert or Coachella or something.
Oh, yeah. That is Coachella week.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, April, right?
Yeah. That's literally Coachella. That's funny. So massive surge like crazy.
Yeah.
That makes sense.